In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to receive money using your email or phone number on Wise. If you're looking for a simple and efficient way to receive funds without the hassle of traditional banking methods, you're in the right place. Wise, formerly known as TransferWise, has made it incredibly straightforward to handle payments, whether you're dealing with local or international transactions. Let's walk through the process together, step by step, ensuring you're all set up to receive money seamlessly. To begin, you'll want to ensure you have a Wise account. If you don't have one, head over to the Wise website or download their app on your mobile device and follow the straightforward registration process. It's fast and ensures you can take full advantage of Wise's features. Once you've registered or logged in, you'll find yourself on the Wise homepage or dashboard, depending on whether you're using a browser or the app. Now, let's focus on setting things up for receiving money. Navigate to the section marked Balances from the dashboard. This feature allows you to manage your currency accounts and is pivotal for receiving funds efficiently. Here, you can see all the currencies you can use and manage. Click on the currency in which you wish to receive funds. If you haven't set up an account in that currency yet, no worries. Wise allows you to create additional currency accounts quickly, and it's a straightforward process that only takes a couple of clicks. Once you've selected your desired currency, click on it to open the account details. This is where you'll find your Wise account information, which includes your email and the phone number you used during registration. These details are important, as they offer the people sending you money straightforward and recognized identifiers for the transfer, ensuring accuracy and efficiency. Communicate your email or phone number, whichever you prefer to use, to the sender. Make sure they know the exact email or phone number linked to your Wise account, as this is crucial for avoiding any delays or errors in the transfer. Wise uses your email or phone number to associate you directly with the funds being sent, making it imperative that these details are correct and up to date. After passing on your contact details, you need to communicate any specific currency or amount details with the sender if necessary. While Wise generally handles these aspects seamlessly, clarity can help avoid any potential confusion. Finally, once the sender completes their part, simply sit back and wait. You'll receive a notification from Wise once the money hits your account, informing you of the transaction details. And that's it! As you can see, receiving money with Wise using just your email or phone number is incredibly user-friendly and efficient, enabling you to manage your finances with ease. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the rest of our channel for more useful tips.